Oh, they have been dhakeloed in between. Okay, we are going to start the ceremony now. We have puppet artist from Barefoot College from Tilonia in Rajasthan. They are going to sing some songs, some very meaningful songs. And that's the way we will start the evening. And then gradually we will get into Manthan Award and the ENG Award. तो तिलोनिया से हमारे मेहमान जो हैं राम
कठपुतली का आप एक गीत सुनेंगे, उसके बाद सूचना के अधिकार से संबंधित कुछ बात होगी और उसके बाद दो गीत होंगे। तो आप लीजिए पहले ये कठपुतली शंकर सिंह जी मजदूर किसान शक्ति संगठन में काम करते हैं, तो वो थोड़ा सूचना के अधिकार की बात को भी यहाँ थोड़ा कहेंगे और दो गीत भी होंगे बीच में। तो अभी पपेट से
तो साथियों एक छोटा सा गीत आपके सामने हम सुना रहे और ये गीत उन लोगों की आवाज है जिन्होंने सदियों से एक ऐसी तकनीक इजाद की कि जो आज आपका और हमारा सबका पेट भरती है। वो पेट भरने वाली तकनीक तो उन्होंने इजाद की और आज उनका पेट नहीं भर पा रहा है। तो हम आज जो बात कर रहे हैं कि ये तकनीक उनका पेट भरने में कितना मदद करेगी, तो एक छोटा सा गीत आपके सामने पेश है। अरे बोल साथीड़ा रे गावा की बाता ते माँ की बाता ए हाची बाता गावा की बाता लोगा की बाता मजदूरा की बाता गरीबा की बाता किसान की बाता जगह जगह की बाता भाई भाई रे अरे बोल साथीड़ा रे बोलिया जा भाई भाई रे साथीड़ा बोलिया जा भाई भाई रे दीवाना बोलिया जा तू जगह जगह में बोलिया जा तू छोड़े धाड़े बोलिया जा ए हक की बाता बोलिया जा ए न्याय की बाता बोलिया जा लोगा की बाता बोलिया जा मजदूरा की बाता बोलिया जा गरीबा की बाता बोलिया जा भाई भाई रे। तो एक गीत हम आपको अब सुनाएंगे। ये तो एक थोड़ा सा गांव में जो जाते हैं थोड़ा माहौल बनाने के लिए, ताकि लोग इकट्ठा हो जाएं और उसके बाद आप जो कहें वो आपकी बात को सुन सकें। तो एक गीत आपके सामने अभी सुना रहे हैं। कहता है और 15-16 साल पहले गांव के कुछ लोगों ने सरकार से कुछ मांगा। क्या चीज मांगी? जो आज की ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी, पारदर्शिता और ये तकनीक जो कंप्यूटर से आ रही है उसमें भी इसका एक मतलब है। क्या ऐसी चीज मांगी जो सरकार देने के लिए तैयार नहीं थी? उसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा संघर्ष राजस्थान में हुआ और ये गांव के वो लोग हैं जो अनपढ़ हैं, मजदूरी करते हैं, खेती करते हैं, उन्होंने सरकार से कुछ मांगा था और एक बड़ा आंदोलन चला। उस आंदोलन में क्या मांगा वो इस गीत से आपको पता लगेगा। इस गीत में जो कुछ मांग रहे हैं वो यहाँ की परिस्थिति से बिल्कुल विपरीत है। जिस जगह हम बैठे हैं या जहां हो रहा है उससे बिल्कुल अलग चीज है, लेकिन फिर भी वो सुनना भी चाहिए और हम भी सुनाना चाहते हैं उसको। तो गांव के गरीब और मजदूर सरकार के सामने बैठ के क्या मांग रहे हैं, गीत का नाम है मैं नहीं मांगा। अरे सोना चांदी
मैं नहीं मांगा,
आपको बोलना मैं नहीं मांगा। अगर आपको इस गीत में जुड़ना हमारे साथ तो अरे सोना चांदी
मैं नहीं मांगा,
महल मालिया
मैं नहीं मांगा,
अरे मोटो बंगलो
मैं नहीं मांगा,
बंगला में गाड़ी
मैं नहीं मांगा,
गाड़ी में कुत्तो
मैं नहीं मांगा,
टाके पट्टो
मैं नहीं मांगा,
टाके साकड़
मैं नहीं मांगा,
मोटो बंगलो
मैं नहीं मांगा,
बंगला में बरम दो
मैं नहीं मांगा,
रमदम गमलो
मैं नहीं मांगा,
गमला में बेलड़ी
मैं नहीं मांगा,
मारुति गाड़ी
मैं नहीं मांगा,
कैसा कार
मैं नहीं मांगा,
हीरो होंडा
मैं नहीं मांगा,
टीवी कूलर
मैं नहीं मांगा।
आपका दिमाग खराब है क्या?
भाई साहब,
अरे इतनी जरूरी चीजें बता रहे हो, आप कह रहे हो मैं नहीं मांगा।
भाई साहब हम गांव के लोग हैं, गांव से आए हैं, गरीब लोग हैं, खाने की बात लोगों को पेट भर भोजन नहीं है।
अरे मैं समझ गया यार, गांव के हो, बीपीएल वाले हो, खाने की बात है। मैं बताऊं आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको चाहिए लंच डिनर,
मैं नहीं मांगा,
ब्रेकफास्ट
मैं नहीं मांगा,
मुर्गा मसाला
मैं नहीं मांगा,
बुलौड़ा अंडा
मैं नहीं मांगा,
अरे अंकल चिप्स
मैं नहीं मांगा,
दाल फ्राई
मैं नहीं मांगा,
पालक पनीर
मैं नहीं मांगा,
मलाई कोफ्ता
मैं नहीं मांगा,
अरे गरम जलेबी
मैं नहीं मांगा,
अरे ऊना भजिया
मैं नहीं मांगा,
अरे मिर्ची बड़ो
मैं नहीं मांगा,
अरे कोफ्तो
मैं नहीं मांगा,
अरे कचौड़ी,
मैं नहीं मांगा।
कचौड़ी में खाटो।
मैं नहीं मांगा।
आपका दिमाग वास्तव में सड़ गया।
अरे भाई साहब, दिमाग आपका खराब हो गया। ये सब बड़े बड़े लोगों की बातें, हम मजदूर लोग हैं, गांव में पीने के लिए पानी नहीं है।
अरे मैं
राजस्थान कितनी दिक्कत है राजस्थान में।
या समझ गया, राजस्थान से आए हो,
हाँ
गरीब हो, बात पीने की है।
हाँ।
वहाँ पे नियम बना रखा है 8 बजे से पहले जितना पीना पियो। मना करता है कोई?
मैं नहीं हूँ।
अरे पेप्सी कोला
मैं नहीं मांगा।
कोका कोला
मैं नहीं मांगा।
अरे कैंपा कोला
मैं नहीं मांगा।
अरे लिम्का सिमका
मैं नहीं मांगा।
अरे मैंगो फ्रूटी
मैं नहीं मांगा।
बिस्लरी
मैं नहीं मांगा।
बियर की बोतल
मैं नहीं मांगा।
दारू की थैली।
मैं नहीं मांगा।
आपका दिमाग सड़ गया।
आप मजाक मत करो।
बताइए, मैं इतनी चीजें बता रहा हूँ इनको, इनके बिना दुनिया चलती है क्या?
अरे
आप उल्टी सुल्टी बात मत करो। गांव के लोग हैं, गरीब आदमी हैं, आप मजाक तो कर रहे हो।
अच्छा, रोजी रोटी की बात है।
पैसे वाले लोगों की बातें।
मैं समझ, अरे भाई, अरे समझ गया,
मजदूर आदमी
समझ गया भाई,
मजाक मत करो।
अरे समझ गया, मजदूर हो, ठीक है। तो आपको क्या चाहिए फिर? मजदूरी करो।
मजदूरी देते नहीं
है ना।
कैसे नहीं देते हैं? खूब देते हैं।
क्यों, कहाँ देते हैं?
अरे जितना मांगो उतना देते हैं।
अरे
नहीं,
नरेगा
देते
में
नहीं है
जाते
ना।
थे,
मिलते नहीं है ना,
पूरा मिलता है।
पूरा नहीं मिलता।
हाँ।
तो कागज देखो,
कागज दिखा
कागज दिखाते कहाँ?
दिखाते
नहीं दिखाते।
15 साल पहले यही बात गांव के उन गरीब मजदूरों ने उठाई थी कि हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हमें केवल वो कागज दिखाओ जिसमें आपने हमारे मस्ट्रोल में हमारा नाम लिखा, वो अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर हमें दिखाओ जिसमें आपने हाजिरी भरी, वो एमबी की कॉपी दिखाओ जिसमें आपने मेजरमेंट करके लिखा कि इसको इतना ही पैसा मिलना चाहिए, वो कागज दिखाओ। और उस समय सरकार अड़ी थी कि ये सरकारी रिकॉर्ड है, आप नहीं देख सकते। उसके लिए लड़ाई चालू हुई और वो लड़ाई में जीत हुई और आज पूरे देश में कानून है सूचना का अधिकार। तो वो कानून में ये चीज निकली और वो क्या है? रोजी रोटी
मैं मांगा।
अब मैं मांगा। आपको भी लगता है इस गाने में साथ देना, तो आप बोलिए मैं मांगा। रोजी रोटी
मैं मांगा।
आप तो बोल ही रहे हो इतने सालों से, यहां देखना सुनना चाह रहा हूं मैं। ये तो बोल ही रहे हैं, आप बोलिए, देखें, आप थोड़ा रुकना। रोजी रोटी मिलेगी
क्यों नहीं?
इतना धीरे अगर बोलोगे तो मिलना संभव ही नहीं है। थोड़ा दम लगा के बोलिए ना, रोजी रोटी
मैं मांगा।
हर रोजी रोटी
मैं मांगा।
स्कूल में पढ़ाई
मैं मांगा।
अस्पताल में दवाई
मैं मांगा।
क्या सवाल है? सवाल क्या है? रोजी रोटी, स्कूल में पढ़ाई, अस्पताल में दवाई, पंचायत को खर्चो
मैं मांगा।
और लेखो जोखो
मैं मांगा।
मस्टोलक नकला
मैं मांगा।
ए बिल वाउचर
मैं मांगा।
आगे फोटो कॉपी
मैं मांगा।
बिजली को खर्चो
मैं मांगा।
राशन को खर्चो
मैं मांगा।
सड़कों को खर्चो
मैं मांगा।
जंगल को खर्चो
मैं मांगा।
खर्चा को हिसाब
मैं मांगा।
सूचना को अधिकार
मैं मांगा।
ये उन लोगों ने एक चालू किया कि हमें बताओ तो सही, हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, क्या खाएंगे कैसे जिएंगे वो हम अपना तय करेंगे, लेकिन इतना तो बताओ कि हमारे नाम से आप क्या क्या कहां कहां खर्च करते हो। तो ये सूचना का अधिकार गीत उन मजदूरों की देन है जिन्होंने 15 साल पहले रिकॉर्ड नहीं दिखा रहे थे और वहां से चालू हुआ। एक तरह से देखो तो वो दिखाने वाली बात आज हम इसमें भी कर रहे हैं। आज हम कंप्यूटर से बात कर रहे हैं, MIS में बात कर रहे हैं कि सबको दिखाना चाहिए। तो ये गीत आपके सामने पेश किया।
तो अब धन्यवाद,
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। ये तिलोनिया से आए थे लोग, काफी लंबा प्रोग्राम दे सकते थे लेकिन हमने सोचा कि खाना खाने में देर हो जाएगी, फिर हमारे अवार्ड में 600-700 नॉमिनेशन में से कम 30-40 लोगों को हम लोगों को अवार्ड देना होता है, तो उसमें भी टाइम लगता है। हम सबको मिलके वी ऑल शुड ग्रीट मिस्टर सलमान खुर्शीद हु इज हियर। ही हैज एग्रीड टू बी हियर विद अस for this evening. Thank you so much. And with the time that we demanded and he agreed, in fact he SMS'd, I look forward. So I thought that you will miss this program, but I think you were absolutely in time. So we are now handing over the entire evening to Madan. Madan will carry the Manthan Award evening. And I will just tell you some of the, what you call as, you should know, especially the finalist and of Manthan Award, that most of you are requested to come from that side. And the way we will go, we will first show you the jury film, and after that, the finalist will be called per category. So we'll call the name of the category, then we will call the finalist. Finalist can come from that side, take their certificate, and go back. And then there will be a video for the winners, which will be shown. Followed by that, the winners can walk up to the stage to take the trophy and your gifts and other things, that whatever will be given to you. So that's the short and long process. All the winners and special mentions, there will be a video, but finalists, we will be, gesturing only with the certificate. Thank you very much. Madan, to you.
Thank you. Chances are this is your last big IT event for the year, and I can assure you this will be your best IT event of the year. We have 60 categories of award winners to go through this evening, and I'm going to ask all the finalists and the winners to come up on stage as we go through their videos. I want you all to do 4 things. 1, tweet. Tweet using the hashtag #Manthan. Those of you who will be tweeting this morning and afternoon, please carry on tweeting. The people following the most closely are all the colleagues of the finalists and the winners here today who want to know who won or did not win the finalists. So please tweet away on the hashtag #Manthan. Second, please clap and cheer as loudly as you can. The winners coming up on stage need your support. They need your encouragement. So please clap your hands and shout as loudly as you can. Third, please exchange your business cards with them if you have not met them as yet. We will have dinner after this, so please catch them during dinner and ask them how you can work with them and do even better work with them. Fourth, on the way out, please pick up this fantastic book. This is released only at the end of each day, at the end of this function, which has a list of all the finalists and the winners of the Manthan Awards 2012. It's a fantastic piece of literature. It's got case studies, it's got information, it's got essays by ICT experts from India, other parts of South Asia, and other parts of the world. So you will get this at the end. Don't forget to pick it up. It's one of the most valuable pieces of literature you can pick up. Next on the agenda is some information about how this whole jury process was conducted. So let's go ahead with the video of the jury, the Manthan 2012 jury. Video, please.
They are the most successful and respected winners of our society across Asia who embodied idea, talent, and integrity. And now, Vikas Singh, Vanita Dixit, Neil Chipper, Nandita Rao, Rajan Barada, Amitabh Singhal, Anuraj Gambhir, Devdas Singh, Desi Bali, Vijay Shampur, Dr. Sheetal Amte, Sonia Sarkar will choose those ordinary citizens who have shown extraordinary courage and innovation amidst the crisis. Digital Empowerment Foundation presents the Manthan Awards. In 2004, since its inception, Manthan Award has been known for its excellency in recognizing the best practices in e-content and creativity in India. Although Manthan Award was initially restricted to India, but later in 2008 expanded its reach across some Asian countries, and now Asia Pacific is also included.
The Manthan Award truly was what Manthan in Hindi is all about, and it was absolutely a journey process. A lot of learning definitely was the value that I got out of here, and some very exciting work which is being done.
The experience has been exhilarating because the discussion around each project, its merit and its social and development impact is huge.
It's definitely an exciting initiative which was done by Osama and DEF, and especially for the reason that this year this has been taken forward towards other Asian countries beyond South Asian countries.
The Manthan Awards believe in constant evolution and positive changes, and this year as well, the jurors had a few healthy suggestions to make.
I would say an extremely competent composition of the jury, people from all walks of life with domain expertise and with expertise in the areas of development which Manthan focuses on.
I'm very happy with the process that has been followed in the jury. As every year it's intense, exhausting, but I think the jury awards are getting better and better every year.
The entries for Manthan are divided into 16 broad categories, which vary from infrastructure to inclusion of travel and tourism. And this year too, a few categories were a hot favorite amongst the jurors.
They're quite very intensive and really wonderful to see such tremendous passionate entries.
In the marathon session of Grand Jury, a total of 220 nominations from 470 entries from 36 countries were evaluated by a team of 16 jury members.
We did around more than 200 application nominees. We are going to get the best out of the 230 nominees.
I must say this is a fantastic place to showcase your talent, what you are actually doing on grassroots level through ICT-based innovations.
There is so much out there in the world of ICT, but how to discover the really good, creative and innovative stuff, Manthan knows it very well.
I ask all the jurors to please come up on stage, take a bow and do a photograph. All jurors, please come up on stage. These are the 16 jurors who slogged through day and night to get this whole award process off the ground. You saw some of the video discussions, the debates, etc. All jurors, please come up on stage. A round of applause. Anita, Arjun, Anand, Mary. I'm sure there's more. What are the rest? Andy, too busy.
Ahmed, you were virtually there, I guess.
Yeah, some of us are virtually there. I was there virtually, but not physically. Okay, don't be shy. All jurors, please come up. If you're hiding up there, please come down. This is the Manthan 2012 jury. A round of applause, please. Okay, couple of quick paparazzi shots. You can take a quick pic and post this on Twitter as well.
We should ask all the finalists, did they know them earlier?
Interest causes, etc. Thanks. Thanks to all the jurors for a fantastic job. We look forward to more, at least more participation next year as well. So, let's get to the program now. We have 16 categories and at least 4 to 5 in each. So, almost do the math. About 300 companies to go through in the next 1.5 hours or so. I'll begin with the first category, e-agriculture. I'll ask the finalists, the first finalist to come up on stage. We have one finalist, 3 winners, and 1 special mention in this category of e-agriculture. You can go to the website manthan.org and see all the finalist profiles. The first finalist, Livelihood 360, Nandi Foundation. Please come up on stage. And to give away the finalist plaque and certification of appreciation, let me ask Dr. Govind, the CEO of Nipsey, to please come up on stage. Is Dr. Govind in the audience? If not, let me ask Laura Turlington from the Vodafone Foundation to please come up on stage. Laura, this is your home corner. A round of applause for Nandi Foundation, finalists in the category of clean agriculture. And to present the plaque and the certificate, Laura Turlington from the Vodafone Foundation, India. Please first face the camera for the photograph. Thanks and congratulations. Please take a seat. What are any quick words of advice for a young entrepreneurs out here?
No advice. I know these gentlemen quite well, and it is respectfully observed.
Fantastic. A round of applause for Laura, please. Laura from the Vodafone Foundation. And now we have the videos of 3 winners and 1 special mention in the category of e-agriculture. Video, please. Dim the lights.
Soil-based plant nutrient management information system for Kerala. The farmer-centric soil management system has been conceptualized, designed, developed and implemented by the Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management, Kerala, to collect information on micro and secondary nutrients of soil and provide ICT-enabled location-specific soil nutrient expert advice for the farmers towards sustainable agriculture. E-Valemani is an ICT-based, demand-driven and participatory advisory model in agriculture to empower farming communities by providing cost-effective, high-quality and timely farm-specific agro-advisory services by a multidisciplinary team of agricultural scientists. The system aims at catering to the need of the farmers using ICT tools such as mobile phones, cameras, computers, internet and video call. Nokia Life focuses on livelihood and life improvement services, delivering information vital to the daily lives of millions across emerging societies. Nokia Life delivers personalized and hyper-local information to users via their mobile phones, using SMS as the delivery channel in their own local language, available in total 11 Indian languages, including English. Agropedia is an attempt to use social networking technologies in agriculture to eliminate information asymmetries. The project is primarily aimed to develop a knowledge management and sharing platform for Indian agricultural communities, with a vision to develop agricultural content in local languages and to make it available within a digital format for the benefit of all farmers, agricultural universities and institutes.
Stage now, soil-based plant nutrition management system from Indian Institute of Technology and Management, Kerala, Nokia Life, E-Agriculture, Dr. Karthikeyan from Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, and the Agropedia team from IIT Kanpur. To give away these awards, then he asked Dr. Aminullah Khan to please come up on stage to give away the award. So first, soil-based water nutrition system from Kerala. And a few words from you. You can thank your mother and your father and all those who really do things.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, Digital World Foundation, for this platform, and thank you very much for all support. In fact, I dedicate these awards to all the farmers across Kerala and all the people, the scientists and agricultural scientists and soil scientists, and they work very hard to make this application. And thanks to all. Thank you.
And our next winner is Nokia Life. Who do we have here from Nokia Life? Yes, please come up on stage. Second winner in the category of E-Agriculture. A round of applause, please, for Nokia Life. And we give them their trophy and the certificate to Dr. Aminullah Khan. And a word of acceptance.
Yeah, thank you very much for this recognition, and it gives us a lot of impetus for us to evolve this and reach millions more farmers, and we hope to continue to do this with love. Thank you.
And we have one more winner in this category, which is E-Agriculture. Dr. Karthikeyan from Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. Dr. Karthikeyan, a round of applause please for winner number 3 from the category of E-Agriculture. And special mention, do we have the Agropedia team from IIT Kanpur here? First, a few words from you.
I thank the Digital World Foundation for giving this recognition, and I also thank all the farmers of Tamil Nadu, and I dedicate this award to all the farm community of Tamil Nadu. Thank you very much.
Now, the Agropedia team from IIT Kanpur. This is the last winner in the category of agriculture. Round of applause, please. Agropedia, Institute of Agriculture.
I want to dedicate this award to Dr. T.V. Prabhakar. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Agropedia team.
Thanks. A quick photo from all of you. We will stop together. And another one for all of you is please take at the end of the evening. You're going to get a chance to get a photograph taken with our minister here as well.
Thank you.
Thanks. Having a few words of encouragement for these entrepreneurs.
Thanks, Madan. You've seen the categories that we've been talking about. This constitutes one of the most difficult categories. But it is something that we at Manthan in the GVA have been very keen on, that we get some really good people to projected here, and I must say that what you have is people who have come up against very strong competition. And Sir, Professor Chadha, a lot of this comes from what you've been teaching us for so long in IIT.